I have a Kubota GR 2110 lawn tractor. I am having to replace PTO clutch. After pulling clutch kit out, I find rear housing for rear bearing has crumbled. I have had this tractor since 2010. It has 220 hours on it. I feel that Kubota should fix this problem. Your answer would be appreciate.thank you. Kenneth England, Auburn, GA 7,708,673,662.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. You have a mower that is 4 years old, sold with a standard warranty of 1 year, and with a chance to purchase a longer extended warranty. Did you buy the extended warranty? If not, Kubota is not going to help in any way. Years ago you could have gotten some factory help, but these days, with manufacturers worrying about their botany more so than customer satisfaction, you will find no help. You can ask the dealer to contact the Kubota representative, but don't expect to get any satisfaction. At best, might give you a parts discount. I have worked as a service manager for New Holland and other lines of equipment, and also worked as a factory rep for large equipment manufacturer, so I have been on both sides of the fence. So I doubt that Kubota will be of much help. Good luck with it.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.